Today, me and Alice are going to cook eggplant parmesan. This is good. It smells eggplant. It smells really good. Here's our final layer. Nonna's eggplant. Beautiful. Ciao, it's Anthony Russo with Russo's New York Pizzeria. Today, me and Alice are going to cook eggplant parmesan. I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm going to show Alice how to make eggplant parmesan. When you come home from school, you cook this for mom and dad. It's easy, right? All right, so we use fresh eggplant, and the first step is you want to wash the eggplant. I like to use medium-sized eggplant about this size. We use fresh eggs, fresh parsley, fresh grated pickled Romano cheese, salt and pepper, a little bit of oregano, and then we're all set. We're going to start the process. I like to cook the eggplant with the skin on. So grab one, just rinse it. There we go. There we go. Wash all the eggplant. Eggplant's a great dish. It's a great entree to make at home. You know, eggplant is really a delicious dish if you make it the right way. So the first step you do eggplant, you have to take the tip off. We'll take the first tip, and then we cut the back like this, and then we're gonna slice the eggplant by hand like this right here. So you want it a little bit thick, not too thin, like this right here, like that. I'm gonna slice it. There we go. In Italy, my parents used to grow it in the backyard. I used to make eggplant parmesan, eggplant rotini, eggplant with pasta, eggplant with shrimp, eggplant with seafood sauce. I mean, there's so many ways you can use eggplant. There we go. Then we slice. Okay, great. So I'm gonna use 2 eggplant. And the first thing we're gonna do is make the egg batter. So Alice, help me crack some eggs. Grab one, just like this. Voila. Perfect. There we go. You can do all of them, all 6 eggs. There we go. One more. So eggplant parmesan, the way I'm making it at home, it's with flour, it's eggs, there's no breadcrumbs, because I want it to be light. And with the marinara sauce, be a delicious meal. It's so simple to make, it's easy. So Alice, we're gonna add some parsley. We'll add some pickled Romano cheese. There we go. Salt, pepper, a generous amount of pepper, and then we're gonna whisk. Wanna try it? Go ahead. It's good. Perfect. So we're gonna get eggplant, grab one, we're gonna flour, then we're gonna dip it in the egg, and then we're gonna fry it with extra virgin olive oil, cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. Here you go, Alice. Cover with flour, so it'll grab, the eggs will grab, and with the Romano cheese and the parsley, the salt and pepper is gonna add really nice flavor to the eggplant as you cook it. There we go. Bravo, good job, look at that. Okay, a few more, there you go. There we go. So this is like dinner for 4 to 6 people. On both sides, put an egg batter, great. So now we're gonna heat up the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, cold press. Here we go. Look at this, get it really hot. Eggplant, we wanna cook it golden brown on both sides. Get that hot, here's our eggplant right there. Here's our marinara sauce that we're gonna use to layer the eggplant. This is Nonna's recipe, Alice. Nonna's eggplant. It's not just make eggplant. We'll make it the same way today in all of our restaurants. So if you guys like eggplant parmesan, you need to try Russo's eggplant parmesan. It's amazing. It's the best. Especially when you cook it with extra virgin olive oil. It absorbs flavor into the eggplant. I'll show you. And if you like to make this dish gluten-free, just use gluten-free flour instead of regular flour. So eggplant, it's getting golden brown on one side, like this. This is how Nonna used to make eggplant. We're gonna use no breadcrumb. Egg wash, a little flour, and we keep the skin on. This is our version, our style to make eggplant parmesan. That's a nice color, perfect. There you go. In the casserole, I'm going to add marinara sauce. This is the eggplant. This is our marinara sauce, right here, generous amount. This is good. I smell the eggplant. It smells really good. Add more eggplant. I got room for one more here. Why not? Let's see if we can squeeze in some more. Almost done. Almost. It's delicious. Very nice. Nice color. There you go. That looks good. I'm going to drain it from some of the olive oil. I'm going to put it in the casserole. Layer at the bottom of the casserole. There you go. Add more eggplant. This is how Nonna used to make eggplant. Real simple, very light, and it's delicious. Because I don't want to add breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs takes away from the flavor of the eggplant. I want to taste the eggplant. I don't want it to be all bready. There you go. Then we'll layer the eggplant in the casserole with marinara sauce, fresh basil, fresh mozzarella, and we're gonna bake in the oven at 350 degrees. Fresh grated Pecorino Romano cheese. Here's our final layer. Fresh basil and mozzarella. Nonna's eggplant. Beautiful. Put that one at 400. We're gonna bake in the oven for 400 degrees, about 20 minutes. So the cheese is light golden brown. Wow, this looks amazing. I can smell the basil and the garlic and the eggplant. The smell is amazing. It smells really good. This is Nonna's eggplant. This is like she made it. You did a good job, Alice. This looks fantastic. Wow, look at this. Comes a piece right here. Look at that. I mean, eggplant. This is eggplant parmesan. This is how Nonna used to make it. You come see our store, taste it for yourself. The best eggplant parmesan. Alice, let's take a bite. Look with the fork, how tender it is. Look at that. Molto bene. Tastes delicious. Come see us. Ciao. Visit our website at nypizzeria.com or come see our stores. Mangiamo, let's eat.